The Samsung Galaxy A16 5G, unveiled last month, is now on sale in the UK through Samsung's official website and retail stores. It's officially priced at £199, $255/Euro 240/INR 21,420, but you can already find it for less on Amazon UK. The phone comes in blue black, light green, and light gray colors with 4GB RAM and 128GB of storage on board. Depending on the region, you get the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G with an Exynos 1330 SoC or a Dimensity 6300 chip. It's unclear what UK customers will get since Samsung hasn't mentioned the processor name on its website. The rest of the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G specs include a 6.7-inch Full HD plus 90Hz Super AMOLED display, a 5000 mAh battery with 25W charging, a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, and 4 cameras, 50MP primary, 5MP ultra-wide, 2MP macro, and 13MP selfie. The smartphone runs Android 14 based One UI 6.1 out of the box and comes with a promise of 6 Android version upgrades and 6 years of security updates, which is one of its highlights.